There's something so wonderfully understated about a beautiful pair of jeans. Not too loud, not too obvious. Just the quiet confidence of a woman who knows herself and how to wear denim like it was made just for her. In a world where elegance is often tied to silk gowns or polished tailoring, I want to show you a little secret. You can look like old money, like true vanilla-style luxury, wearing nothing more than denim. Yes, the right jeans, styled with intention and grace, can whisper wealth in the most effortless way. But it's not just what you wear, it's how you wear it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to elevate your denim game, choose the most flattering fit for your body, and pair them with pieces that make you look polished, feminine, and quietly expensive, no matter your budget. Because elegance isn't about having more, it's about knowing more. And today, we begin with jeans. Let's begin. Outfit 1. The everyday cream jean. Let's start with a pair that feels like a fresh breath of elegance, the high-waisted cream jean. Paired with a tucked-in cashmere tank and a pair of soft almond toe flats, this outfit says, yes, I'm just running errands, but I believe in showing up well. Add a structured woven bag, gold hoops, and a ballet bun or low ponytail, and suddenly you've taken an ordinary look and made it feel refined, relaxed, but elevated. Style tip: cream or off-white denim will always look more expensive than true white. It's softer on the eyes, photographs beautifully, and complements silver, gold, or rose-toned accessories. Outfit 2. Dark indigo, plus body type elegance. Now let's talk about the cut of your jeans. No matter how luxurious your pieces are, if the jeans don't fit your body, the look will never sit right. Are you curvier in the hips? Try a straight or wide leg jean with a soft high-rise to elongate and balance your proportions. More rectangular or athletic, a subtle kick flare or cigarette fit adds instant softness and shape. Petite? Opt for a cropped hem to create space at the ankle and avoid overwhelm. And for my tall girls, long column-style jeans with a stacked loafer or pointed mule can look absolutely statuesque. Remember, elegance begins with knowing your shape, not forcing it into someone else's trend. Here's a look I love. A dark indigo bootcut jean with a silky ivory blouse, sleeves pushed up just so. Add a thin belt, a pair of kitten heels, and your favorite soft shoulder bag. You're not just dressed, you're framed. Outfit 3. The weekend elevated look. Picture this, it's a Saturday morning. You're picking up pastries from your favorite local bakery. The air smells like fresh espresso, and your to-do list is blessedly short. You reach for your beige denim, soft, relaxed, but still structured, and pair it with a soft dove gray knit top, a tonal blazer, and slim gold sunglasses. You're not trying to impress anyone, but people can't help but notice how put together you look. That's the quiet power of vanilla style. It's not about perfection. It's about effort, intention, and that subtle harmony in tones, textures, and mood. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to denim shade this summer? Cream, dark indigo, or do you still love classic mid-blue? And if you're enjoying this journey into vanilla-style elegance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us until the end. The last outfit may just be my personal favorite. Outfit 4. The soft monochrome moment. Now let's romanticize denim in one of the most luxurious ways, monochrome. Think of soft, stone-washed gray jeans paired with a charcoal knit tank and a matching lightweight cashmere wrap or cardigan draped over the shoulders. Add silver-toned loafers, a matching suede handbag, and delicate silver jewelry to tie the look together. This is quiet luxury in action. No logos, no noise, just you, your confidence, and clean lines. You could wear this to a gallery opening, a business casual lunch, or a chic day at the office. It feels relaxed but smart, minimal but magnetic. Outfit 5. Vanilla femininity in denim. Yes, denim can feel ultra-feminine too, without leaning too casual or too young. Picture a pair of slim jeans paired with a tucked-in silk camisole and a cropped cardigan in a matching hue. Wrap a silk scarf around your hair or your handbag handle, add slingbacks or heeled sandals, and finish the look with pearl drop earrings. You're a vision, and no one would guess that you're simply wearing jeans. This is the vanilla style way. Soft color palettes, elevated fabrics, and thoughtful accessorizing that feels graceful and romantic, not overdone. Outfit 6, elegance on the go. Travel look. Let's style jeans for travel, but keep it elegant. Try a high-rise, relaxed fit jean in a cool, dark rinse. No rips, no logos. Top it with a crisp poplin button-down and a fine knit cashmere vest layered over. Add a tan leather tote, oversized sunglasses, and a pair of structured white sneakers. Comfort? Absolutely, but without sacrificing refinement. This outfit says, I'm catching a train to Florence, even if you're just running errands in town. Throw on a trench coat or tailored wool coat in cooler weather, and you're airport ready, chic, and camera approved. Outfit 7, late summer to fall transition look. Here's one of my favorite transitional looks as summer begins to soften into early fall. Start with ivory wide leg jeans. Pair them with a fine knit top in muted sage, dusty blue, or buttermilk beige. Add a suede belt, matching loafers, and a lightweight scarf gently tied at the neck or draped over your handbag. This look is soft, layered, and quietly confident. Exactly what vanilla style does best. It speaks of someone who's aware of the seasons, but never rushing. Someone who enjoys dressing for herself. Soft lifestyle tip. Knowing your denim personality. Here's something elegant women always understand. Denim has personality, not just in the cut, but in the styling. Are you classic and minimal? Dark wash, straight leg jeans with a blazer and structured tote. Romantic and feminine? Go for soft colors, curved cuts, and dainty accessories. Do you like a hint of edge? Then pair wide leg jeans with a cinched trench or oversized coat and sleek hair. Know who you are and let your jeans follow suit. That's the key to style that looks expensive. Not because of price, but because of precision. Outfit 8, evening denim, elevated. Yes, you can wear jeans in the evening and still look like wealth. Try this, a high-rise black denim trouser with a satin or crepe blouse, something with a subtle sheen, like champagne, navy, or deep burgundy. Add kitten heels or mesh flats with crystal accents and a sleek clutch. Finish with glowing skin, a bold but simple gold cuff, and clean hair, a polished bun, or a loose, voluminous blowout. You're not trying too hard, but you are unforgettable. Elegance in simplicity. Darling, don't underestimate denim. It may not sparkle. It may not turn heads on its own, but in your hands, paired with wisdom, confidence, and a beautiful eye for detail, it becomes something more. Something timeless. Because when you know your body, when you style with softness and strength, when you show up in simplicity with grace, that's when the world begins to wonder who you are. And that is the essence of looking rich without saying a word. Which of these looks speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your stories and how you interpret vanilla style in your own lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the timeless color pairings old money women swear by and how to wear them your way. Until next time, stay elegant, stay intentional, and keep romanticizing the art of getting dressed.